The journey of a McDonald's French fry begins long before it reaches your tray. It actually starts on massive potato farms, where only one special type of potato is selected, the famous russet Burbank. These aren't ordinary potatoes. They're chosen because they fry perfectly, stay crispy, hold their shape, and taste amazing even when cooked in huge batches. The United States is one of the biggest suppliers because the weather there is perfect for growing high-quality russet Burbank potatoes. Once the potatoes are ready for harvest, giant all-in-one machines move through the fields. These powerful machines dig the potatoes out of the soil and clean them at the same time. You'll see brushes, rollers, and air blowers working together so that almost all the dirt is removed before the potatoes even leave the field. This process continues non-stop until every potato is collected. After harvesting, the potatoes are taken to huge storage rooms. These rooms are kept cool and dark to protect the potatoes and keep them fresh. The quantity here is unbelievable. Thousands and thousands of potatoes are stored together, but not a single one goes to waste. McDonald's uses them quickly because the company makes almost 9 million pounds of French fries every single day. That means the potatoes never sit around for long. Most are used within just 15 days. And this is where the real magic begins. Let's step inside the factory. The first stop is the washing station. Potatoes are dumped into large containers filled with water. Vibrating belts shake the potatoes while fast-flowing water removes leftover dirt. It looks like a giant potato jacuzzi. Once they're clean, a special elevator lifts the potatoes out of the water and moves them to the next section. Now they reach the peeling machines. These machines use gentle abrasion to remove only the skin, nothing more. The goal is to save as much potato as possible. After peeling, the potatoes go through a final wash that uses fresh water mixed with safe cleaning chemicals like chlorine to ensure hygiene. Next comes one of the most fascinating stages, the cutting chambers. These tall, high-tech units slice the potatoes at high speed. Water jets push potatoes through razor-sharp blades at nearly 70 miles per hour. In less than a second, a whole potato becomes perfectly shaped French fry strips. This is why McDonald's fries all look almost identical. After cutting, the fries are sorted by size, shape, and quality. Now the fries take a ride toward the pre-cooking area. Before frying, some fries go through a special treatment where they are coated with a light mix of sugar and sodium acid pyrophosphate. The sugar helps the fries turn golden, and the chemical keeps them from turning gray. It's completely safe and ensures the fries look fresh whether cooked or frozen. The fries then go into a large boiler where they are partially cooked. Broken pieces stay on the belt, while the good fries fall into the boiling section. The potatoes are fried to about 50%, just enough to lock in their flavor. This partial frying removes extra water and starch and creates a light crust on the outside. The oil used is a mix of canola, corn, soybean, and hydrogenated soybean oil. This blend contains no trans fats or cholesterol, making the fries healthier for mass production. Once half fried, the fries are lifted out, placed on a belt, and allowed to air dry for several minutes. This step removes the extra oil and helps maintain crispiness. From here, the fries enter a super cold freezer tunnel. They're frozen extremely quickly so they don't lose texture or taste. Freezing also makes it easier to store and transport them. Without fast freezing, peeled potatoes can spoil very quickly. But thanks to this technology, the fries stay perfect until they reach restaurants around the world. After freezing, the fries are packed into large bags and placed into chilled trucks. From here, they travel to McDonald's outlets everywhere. Once they arrive at the restaurant, they're fried for the second time just before serving. That's why the outside becomes golden and crispy, while the inside stays soft and fluffy. But the factory magic doesn't stop with potatoes. Let's look at some other amazing machines used in food production. Cutting onions at home is something many people dread. The process makes your eyes water and slows down cooking. But factories now use brilliant machines that do the entire job without mistakes. No matter how an onion is placed, the machine straightens it and sends it forward. The outer layer is removed cleanly in seconds. After a quick manual check to remove any spoiled onions, the rest are sliced perfectly and packed for freezing. This saves so much time for restaurants and home cooks. Next comes one of the most fascinating. Fries are frozen and packed. Their long journey continues. Once the frozen fry bags reach McDonald's restaurants, staff store them in special freezers that maintain a perfect temperature. This ensures the fries stay crisp from the inside and firm on the outside. Before cooking, the fries go into a stainless steel fry basket. These baskets are designed so the fries cook evenly without sticking together. As soon as the basket is lowered into the hot oil, the real transformation happens. The fries instantly react to the high temperature, creating steam on the inside. This steam keeps the inner part soft and fluffy, while the outer layer becomes crisp and golden. But even the frying time is controlled with high precision. Each batch has a preset timer, ensuring that every fry is cooked for the exact number of seconds needed. Once the timer beeps, the basket automatically rises and excess oil drains off. Next comes the most important step: seasoning. Freshly fried fries are poured into a warming tray and just the right amount of salt is sprinkled. Not too much, not too little. This balance is what gives McDonald's fries their signature taste. The trays also keep the fries warm until they are served. The fries can't stay here for long. McDonald's has a strict rule: if fries are not served within a few minutes, they must be discarded. This ensures customers always get hot, crispy fries every single time. And finally, when the fries are packed into the iconic red box and handed to the customer, a journey that started on a potato farm ends with a satisfying crunch at your very first bite. From farms to factories, from freezing tunnels to frying baskets, every step is controlled, timed, and perfected, making McDonald's French fries one of the most loved snacks in the world.